let's just very quickly get in a perspective on how we are going to be looking at the markets going forward from here. We've seen an outflow of 1.36 lakh crores in December. What factors have contributed to the same? That's something that we'll get a quick perspective on. In fact, NS Venkatesh, who's CEO AMFI, joins us on his outlook for mutual fund flows. And let's just start off with that very question. What is the outlook that you see ahead in terms of domestic flows?
No, generally, if you look at that five numbers, you will see that 4 numbers happening more or less in most of the calendar years. The reason behind that is those will all be quarter ends. So quarter ends, whenever it happens, you will actually see there is a net outflow which is happening, because the net outflow will happen in the liquid funds, that sort of thing. So to that much extent, that's where you would have seen it. If you had looked at those outflow months, it will be generally June, September, December, March, that sort of numbers. So that is where it would have happened. So in this year also, if you had looked at it, this December also has shown a net outflow compared to the same in December 17. There was a net outflow. So the quarter end effects are the major reasons, I would say, for the net outflow to happen in the liquid mutual funds, mainly because the corporates pull out money to pay the advance tax, and the bank investments are actually withdrawn during quarter ends to ensure that their capital adequacy is not affected. I would say it is mainly the market volatility. The market has been extremely volatile during December compared to what it was in October. So that has mainly meant that investors are staying a little bit cautious from moving money into the equity sort of thing. So that is where it has happened. No, I don't think so. See, balance funds is like a person who wants to have less risk and steady returns. They generally look at investing into the balance funds. So I would say that I don't think there is a concern which has happened. Maybe now the equity markets have not done that well. So to that much extent, the flows are slowed down a little bit. But hopefully over a period of time from after the elections, general elections are over, then maybe when the market starts looking up due to the fact that there is a stable government which will again come back, and maybe because the macroeconomic factors are favorably tilted towards the India story. So the India story is intact, growth story is intact. So I think then again you will see people will come back and put money into the balance funds.